We are having a very weird day. What happened?
Liam, a bee to one and Liam ear.
We had a big plan to shoot a video tonight, and as we were driving there, a bee flew in his ear and he got stung and he's hurting. So I dropped him off at the house and we're about to go pick up a lot of different food. That's the new plan. My wife wants duck salad. My sons want broken rice. What do you want?
I want broken rice.
You want broken rice too? And I don't know what I want. Let's go get everybody what they want, and hopefully Liam will feel better when we get home. We're gonna use this tragedy to show you how easy and fun it is to get takeout food here in Saigon. Oh, Goivit's over there. Okay, it's still there. You wanna get Liam a penguin?
Yeah.
Am I getting about you? 35? Okay, which color do you think Liam's gonna like?
I don't know.
Can we have a blue one, a small blue one? But we'll get a little penguin. Can you get the clean one? Let's have that one over there. You wanna get a blue one? I think a blue one's good.
Yeah.
This is just like a little toys on the street. Maybe it'll make Liam smile.
This is a weird day.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
Gonna take this one?
A blue bag.
Yeah, he said we're gonna get a bag. Sound good?
It's the same color.
Yeah, that's perfect, right?
Yeah.
And that'll work out. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Come on, Konya. Okay, we got it. Do you think Liam's gonna like the penguin? Okay, let's go get some food.
Let's go.
Uh-oh, this kid's in trouble too. What's going on here? How come kids are in trouble today? We are just a few days away from Tet, the new year, so there's a lot of different things for sale on the street. Flowers and trees and all kinds of stuff. It's a very unique time to be driving around the streets. Hold on, I'm looking for what I want to eat too, JD. I don't know what I want yet.
Are you looking for pie, right?
I know where the broken rice is. I know where I'm going for that. I know I'm getting the duck salad for mommy. But for me, I don't know. I could get broken rice too. So many things to eat. So many things. So many things to eat. Wow, mommy would like those light.
Yeah.
JD, what do you want on your broken rice? Do you want pork chop? Do you want egg cake?
Or sitting?
Chicken? You want chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you can get chicken.
Me.
Okay, we'll get you chicken. I think this is the spot. Yeah, this is the spot. This is the spot. This is the spot. This is the one. This is the one.
Have we been here?
Yeah, we've been here many times. This is really good broken rice. We like this one. You want the chicken?
Yeah.
That's the one you want? Okay, anything else you say you want? Do you want the pork rib or no? You want a pork rib too? You want that too? You a big meat eater? Okay. Em ơi, cho một phần xuân chả, một phần xuân trứng, một phần gà, và một lạp xương nữa, một miếng lạp xương thôi.
Eat it at home?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it home for everybody.
Yippee.
But you know what? It's like, it looks really good. It's hard for me to say no. I kind of want it. I kind of want it. I kind of want it. But I'll keep looking around. Oh, what's this? Look at all this food down here. We got a little like food cart. Bún mắm, bún Thái, bún hải san banda. Oh, what do I want? Oh, hard to say. Tin bao nhiêu em? 150 hả? Look how freaking fast. I know you're not going to see because it's like an edited video, but that was literally 2 minutes. From order to walk away, 2 minutes. And now we got the rice over here, the penguin on this side, and the most special girl in the world in the middle. What do you think?
Good.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Hopefully Liam is going to be happy. I hope that boy feels better when we get home.
Yeah.
That was so sad.
Me too.
Oh, that come time looks good, baby. I want bún thịt nướng now. That's okay. Oh, I could get bún chả. I like bún chả. Oh, I want bánh canh calop. I saw a new spot that sells bánh canh calop up here. I remember. I can get that. I like bánh canh calop a lot. I like it as soup. That's a good soup. I think it's up here on the left. I'm pretty sure. I remember one. Let me see. Oh, that's bánh canh sadek. Oh, I want to try that too. Oh, that's bún bò Huế. Bánh canh calop. Oh, there's bánh canh calop right there. That's not the one I was thinking of, but that is the dish I was just talking about. But that's not a Christmas tree, baby. That's a Tet tree. Yeah, that's a Tet flower. That place is kind of busy though. Maybe I'll go there. I'm gonna check the other spot first, see if they have the bánh canh. And they have bánh canh calop. This is the spot. Okay. Daddy gonna get a bánh canh calop mang về. Em ơi, có bánh canh calop không? Cho một tô mang về. Có bánh quại không? Dạ được. Cái này bao nhiêu anh?
50.
Okay, you okay, girly pie? Daddy got a soup. Don't break your bracelet, okay?
Yeah.
Daddy found a soup. Yeah, I found a soup that I want.
And we have a penguin.
And I think Liam's gonna smile, right? Even as the ear still hurts, I think he's gonna smile.
I love this penguin.
Oh, you love the penguin, good. Có rau đắng không? Cho rau đắng. I love this bitter vegetable. I wanna make sure I get it. Yeah, take rau đắng nhiều. Yeah, come on, come on. I can't hold you right now, honey. I got less stuff I'm holding. Now I got hot soup in my hands. I don't want to hurt you.
I know. I just playing around with you.
See you again. Okay, JD, this bowl is gonna be hot, okay?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put it here. I don't want to burn your legs, okay? And then we'll put this one down here. That one's not hot. It's not gonna hurt you, okay? Is that okay for you?
Yep.
Let me show the people what you look like with all this stuff on the bike.
Oh,
How about when I put all this stuff on the bike, you still comfortable?
Yeah.
No problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
Too
it.
comfortable.
I can always carry another bag. That's the secret. That's the secret about driving in Saigon. You can always carry another bag, no matter what. You give me 5 bags, I can carry 6. You give me 6, I can carry 7. You give me 7, I can carry 8, JD. I always got more space for more stuff, no matter what.
What about 90?
Oh, can I carry, if I have 90 bags, can I carry 91?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's too many. You broke me. You won that game. 90 is my maximum. You okay?
Uh-huh.
You have fun?
Uh-huh. Let's go back home.
Yeah, we'll go back home. And we'll get the broken rice to Liam. And hopefully he feels good. We still got to get some duck soup for Mommy. That's the only thing.
Penguin.
And the penguin. That's going to make him smile.
Penguin.
Yep. And we got some roux over there. I like roux. More and more.
Yes, 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 yes. You have a knife.
Yes, 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 I have your mic.
Wasn't that guy that flew so fast?
It's because he's taking a right. We're taking a left, so we have to wait until the light. When you take a right, you can go.
Why?
Because you're not crossing traffic. When we take a left, we have to cross traffic. When we take a right, you just keep going. There's no traffic that you're interacting with. So taking a right is very different than taking a left. Okay, Mommy's salad is right here. Oh, we got a step. Oh, we can come up here. Mình cho một gói vịt và chao, một phần thôi.
Dad.
Huh?
Are they baby ducks?
No, they're not killing baby ducks. No, these are big adult ducks. That make you sad, huh? Yeah, I get it. Get it, bao nhiêu em? 60. Wow, you see the duck? The big duck. Not the baby, it's a big one. They have some tea, huh? A little bit of tea. Good?
One stop.
You can have it. I'll finish whatever you don't drink.
Done.
You done? I'll chug it. I'll chug that.
Start.
Thank you, JD. Appreciate it. Oh, you know, we could get dessert over there. Let me see if the dessert vendor's open over there. We'll look, okay? I'll check it out and see if we can find it, okay? Sound good? Come on, yeah. Hey, goodbye. The bike continues. Hello, JD, you're doing a great job. All right, we're gonna put that in the video, and you did a great job holding that camera. Wow, look at you. Wow, JD, top tier. And you still got your mic on, you're doing great. JD, you're kicking butt. I always love going out with you. I always have so much fun when I go out with you. You're just such a nice person to go out with, JD. You know? Yeah, it's true. True is true, right? Oh, look at the puppies playing. Let's see if the dessert lady's out here. I don't see her today. Oh, maybe she closed already for Ted. We can go this other way and see if we see anything special, okay? We'll go the back way to get home. We'll see if we see anything. Ooh, is this guy going? He's going. Oh, I hope Liam's gonna be happy, JD. Yes, I hope so. I think he will be.
He's been so happy.
I think he's gonna be happy.
About the penguin. I hope he feels better soon.
I hope he feels better. I hope he's not crying when we get home. The booncha buddy is JD. We both wanna eat it so much. We both wanna eat it every day. Because we think it's the best. Except for today, because JD wouldn't come down. Way to go, honey pie. What's that? That's a new vendor. What do they got? Oh, smoothies and juices over there. Jinto và nước ép. But I don't want no smoothie, no juice.
I think Lee would like it if we got a strawberry smoothie for him.
You think you'd like it if we got a strawberry smoothie? Maybe I'll make some strawberry milk tonight with the freeze-dried strawberries and the milk. Yeah, I'll try to do that.
Can you make a strawberry bagel?
A strawberry bagel? I could make a strawberry bagel. Yeah, I could do that.
Shut them up.
Crush them up, throw them in the bagel batter?
Yeah.
Bagel dough? I could do that. Okay, I'll do that. It's a good idea. Probably the best thing for us would be to find some dried strawberries. Ooh, that dog's cute.
Seen it, right?
All right, let's go see if Liam feels better. And I know it's hard to tell with the, you know, with the video and everything, but I think that's probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes max of picking up everything.
It sued me.
You feeling better?
We got something there.
We got something for you. Let's eat. Let's watch this penguin and let's eat. Look, we got him a penguin. No, they didn't have any.
No?
I'm just joking. We got it.
What is this thing anyway?
You like it? Good. Oh, the kids all got broken rice, famous Vietnamese dish if you don't know this one already. Broken rice, grilled pork chop, egg pork cake, little green onion, very simple, very delicious. Here, let's leave this right in here. You want to tell us what happened? All right, tell us what happened, Liam. Tell us this traumatic event.
So we were just trying to go get dinner, and then suddenly
Yes.
a bee just went in my ear and stung it.
As we were driving, right? You were in the front, and all of a sudden, Liam just taps me. He's like, can we pull over? And then he's crying. He's crying his little butt off. I didn't know what was happening. We stopped at a beauty salon. My wife pulled out the stinger and then put some ice cubes on his ear. And then we dropped him off at home because he didn't want to go to dinner anymore, and now we're having dinner. All right, I'll show you what I got. I think I got a cool dish you probably haven't seen yet. Wait, where's my banh kwai? What the heck? I have it all in evidence. I have it all documented by video. I ordered banh kwai specifically. I saw it happen. I was watching, and I paid $5K for it. Ah, yeah. Oh. Come on. I'm still bummed. No one cares about my struggles. All right, and this is my very bitter vegetable, and he gave me a lot. That's a lot, bruh.
You like it?
I love it. It's very big. It's a lot.
You want to have
Sad. Good, Liam? Yeah. Satisfy your craving? So this is bankan kalap. Bankan is the name of the noodle, a thick wheat tapioca noodle. Not wheat, tapioca and rice. And then kalap is the mudfish. This is made with mudfish. This dishes are one of the few that serve with this bitter vegetable, which I like so much. It's so bitter. But he gave me a lot, so I'm excited about that. And it has fish cake in it as well. So we have the thick noodle, the bankan noodle. We have the kalap, or the mudfish. We have fish cake in here, and then we have this raudang, or bitter vegetable, which is super bitter. I do love it. Try the broth as it is. Pretty good. A little bit sweet. I've had this dish in Baolap City in the mountains, and it was incredible. The best bowl I've ever had, and I've always been searching for another bowl of that level. But in Saigon, there's not that many vendors that sell this, so every time I see it, I'm excited. I want to try it. But it's never as good as Baolap. And that thing I was complaining about missing, it's just like a fried dough stick. It's good. Just something extra to chew on. I'm gonna throw some fried shallots in here because I have them. Why not? That'll make it better. And some chopped chili. Ooh, you like that, huh? Oh yeah. Bada bing. Good? Happy? JD was such a good companion today.
I was holding the camera.
If she did hold the camera, she got a good shot. Can't wait to see it in the video. All right, let's see what my wife was craving. She's gonna plate it up for herself. JD's like, did they use the baby ducks? So my wife got a duck salad, cabbage, banana flour, the boiled duck, ginger fish sauce, Thai basil, herbs, and then this comes with like a porridge. You can get it with a broth and noodles, you can get it as a porridge or rice soup, so I think the rice soup is the way to go, and this has the duck broth and a little bit of duck blood in there too. So this is her little setup. She gets a soup in the salad. And you can see this is kind of whole spread. There's some duck breasts in here, duck leg. It's all chopped up. You can request what you want if you want it, or you just get it as is. Okay, enjoy your takeout, everybody. Enjoy your Viet takeout. Get us some Vietnamese food.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy. Liam, thanks for being a trooper. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn easy. Even when things don't go to plan in Vietnam, you always eat well, no matter what. And I think in the bill, total bill tonight was $260,000, which is about $10, $10.50, something like that. Pretty hard to beat, and everyone's eating pretty darn healthy too. And yeah, I saw a penguin, I was like, oh, maybe we should get this. And you know, I've been staring at those penguins for a long time. Yeah, every time I drive by, I see them, I'm like, all right, good.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I'm so glad you like them. That is good. It's a little underseasoned, but it's rich, and it's good. If you're unaware, we're streaming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 a.m. Indochina time, aka Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm always cooking the studios and taking your comments to figure out what we're gonna cook for the next week. So it's a fun show. Check it out if you haven't seen it yet. And all of those edited videos from the streams are on the new CKSK channel. I'll put links down below for that one as well. We did just get monetized on that channel. Very exciting things are happening. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, give me a like down below. And if you like what we're doing, please give us a comment of any kind. Always helps with the algorithm, help us move forward. Or if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them too. If you want to go on a food tour with me, check out chefcoopingup.com. Until next time, see you later. Peace. Bye.